Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to define a hand. So if we press 3 by selecting the hand, we can see we have created it properly. The smallest finger which is there, we need to lower it more down. So we will select one face of this by coming to face mode. After selecting the one face, we can grow the selection by coming to select and then clicking on grow selection. Here you will get one option, control plus greater than sign you can press to grow the selection. So select the one face and then come here and click on select, and then you can click on grow along loop or grow, so that the selection will grow from this face. And now you can press G to keep it growing, and after this is done we can lower the size by pressing W, and after pressing W go to move tool settings and work in the object mode and bring it down. Again, we don't want this above part selection, so deselect it by pressing Ctrl, rotate and see that you have deselected all the part. Again, bring it a little bit down, again deselect this part, and after deselecting this, take that up, deselect this part, and then again take this up. In the same way you can do this for this ring finger also, but for now I will keep it as it is. And now press 3 so that you can see a variation in the finger size, and if you want to do some changes in the thumb also, you can do the same, like selecting the first face and then grow the selection by coming to select and then click on grow, and pressing G it will grow it continuously. I will just move this in this direction, and then by pressing E we will rotate it in this way. Press Ctrl Y to redo again. If you want to redo it, grow the selection, press G again. I want this thumb to be little bended, so to bend it press E and then rotate it. Press W and bring it little bit here. Okay, so this much is okay. If you want to increase the size of the thumb so that it does not look similar to the fingers, for doing that press 1 and then increase the size by selecting the edges. Select this edge loop, press R and scale it. Select this too and scale it more. You can scale it from here. Press 3 to check it. So now it's looking like a thumb. It no more looks like a finger. From here we have to bring the edge little bit inside, so go to edge mode, select this edge, and after selecting it, bring it little bit inside in this way, and then press 3. So this is done, and now you can see that we in the character we get a little bit of volume in the palm area. So to create the volume, we can go to vertex mode, select this vertex, and then bring it here. We can also work in the smooth mode by pressing 3. So I will bring this and also this vertex out. Same as it is, select both these vertexes and bring this vertex out. So now it is looking like a arm area. So in this way you have to create it. Delete all the faces from where you will join this. So we don't need all these 4 faces at the top. So go to face mode, select the first face and shift select the other by double clicking. Hold shift and double click on this last face. So all the faces in between will get selected, and then press delete. Come in the side view and just see once that the hand we have created is that the same size in the reference. If it is not, then scale the hand which you are creating in the scene, and now it is looking same. So I will just rotate it a bit from x-axis, little bit of rotation, press W and keep it here. Now we want to combine both the objects, so select the hand and the arm area and then hold shift, or else come in the mesh tool and then click on combine. You can come here and click on combine, so it will combine both the objects. And then here we can delete all the faces in this. So by going to vertex mode, selecting this vertex and pressing Ctrl plus F11, it will select all the faces connected to that vertex and press delete. Now going to the edge mode, if you double click on this edge and if you click on display, heads up display and poly count, you can count the number of edges we have selected are 8. So whenever you uh, select whenever you combine these 2 objects, any other object, the duplicated part will get deleted automatically. So don't worry, we will duplicate it again after we bridge this. So now we can see that in arm area near the wrist we get 8 edges, but in this object we are getting 10 edges. So similar edges we need in both the objects. So for that, here we will merge some edges. So merge 2 vertex, select this and this both the vertex, and by going to edit mesh, and here you will get one option called merge. Click on this, same as it is, select 2 vertex from this side and again come in edit mesh and click on merge. Doing this merge option, it has created triangles this side also and on the front side also. So we don't need triangles. So to make it properly, we will, to correct the faces, we will add one edge loop in middle of this face. So go to mesh tool and insert edge loop option box, reset this and then create an edge in the middle. After creating this, press R and scale it a little bit from this side. And again go to object mode. After this is done, now it is ready to bridge. So again go to the edge mode, select this edge and holding shift, double click on this edge, and you can go to edit mesh and now create a bridge in between both this object. Number of divisions we don't need, so keep it 0. Okay, so this is done. If we are facing any color issue, like the polygons are not looking in the gray color, then you can select the object, come in rendering, and again reapply any of the material. So I will apply the Lambert material again on the surface so that it will look properly. You need to adjust some of the vertex so that after smoothing the hand part it will not get twisted. So go to vertex mode, select this vertex, press W and move this here. Same way you have to move this. After this is done, press 3 and just see that it looking properly or not. Okay, so till here it is done. Now we will create the duplicate of this overall on the opposite side. So come to the side view and not side view, come to the front view and then select the object and then go to edit and duplicate special option box, or else click on this directly. This is not creating the duplicate copy, so I will click here on the option box and then make it -1 in the scale X and then apply. So this is creating on the other side, means it is not creating from the mid of the grid. So we will change the pivot point, press D and enter into the edit pivot mode. Here you can click on the option snap to grid and then move this in X direction. Again off, turn off the snapping and then press D to come out of the edit pivot mode. Click on edit and click on duplicate special option box, reset it and then in scale put -1 and apply and close it. So in this way we have created the hand. Now in the next lecture we will start with the head part.